so today we're going to be testing the bells, and we're going to be choosing a name for your baby sister. You're going to be helping with your brother choose a name, right? Yeah? Okay, first question. Is your name Griffin or Haru? Griffin or Haru? Your name's Haru? Good girl! So Haru, this is a question about maybe one of your favorite people. Yeah, your Daddy-o. But is your dad's name Daddy-o or is your dad's name Damien? What's his real name? Good girl! Your dad's name is Damien? Right? Okay, next question. Is my name Emma or Susan? What's my real name? What's your mom's real name, Haru? Good girl. Okay, my boy, let's check if you know. What's your name? Is it Griffin or Potato? What's your name? You've got to ring the bell. Now, today we're going to be trying to choose some names for your new baby sister. Which name do you like? Do you like Luna or do you like Lemon for your new baby sister? Can you choose? Which name do you like? Choose, my boy. You like both? Okay, but you've got to choose one. Ring the bell. Okay, so you choose Lemon. Okay, good choice. Are you ready to choose another name now? You ready? Okay. Do you like the name Kai or do you like the name Lemon? You still like Lemon? Well, if you like Lemon, you've got to ring the bell. Ring the bell, my boy. You like Lemon? That's your choice? Lemon Lee? Now it's your turn to choose your baby sister's name. Do you like the name Shiraz or Luna? Can you choose? You like the name Luna for your new baby sister? Okay, next, Panda or Luna? That was very confident. Technical support. Okay, let's have technical support, please. Okay, so Haru, your final choice for your new baby sister's name. Are you going to choose Panda or Sienna? Which name do you like? Panda or Sienna? Can you choose? No? How to choose? Oh! You like the name Sienna? Okay guys, so what name should we choose? Should we choose Lemon or Sienna? Griff, what do you think?
That is so